Mexico has triggered one of its biggest protectionist moves in decades, and India is caught right in the middle of it. Starting January 1st, 2026, Mexico will impose tariffs between 5 and 50% on more than 1,460 products from any country that does not have a free trade agreement with it. India is one of those countries, China too. So what's behind this sudden tariff strike? There are 4 clear reasons. First, Mexico wants to stop the flood of cheap Chinese imports. China's trade surplus with Mexico has crossed $100 billion. Mexican steel, auto parts, and textiles have been badly hit. Many Chinese companies are also using Mexico as a base to re-export goods into the US. Mexico wants to shut that route down. Second, Mexico is signaling loyalty to Washington. The US-Mexico trade deal comes up for review in 2026. Both Biden and Donald Trump have warned Mexico about being a gateway for Chinese goods. By taxing non-FTA countries, Mexico is telling the US, "We're on your side." Third, politics. The Sheinbaum government is selling this as a move to protect local industries and jobs. And fourth, revenue. These tariffs will generate nearly $4 billion a year for Mexico's budget. So how badly does this hit India? Quite hard. After China, India is one of the biggest losers under this new regime. India exports nearly $1 billion worth of passenger vehicles to Mexico every year. From January, these cars will face a 50% tariff, more than double the current rate. That makes Indian cars almost unviable unless companies start assembling in Mexico. Auto parts worth up to $700 million will face tariffs of 25 to 50%. Iron and steel exports around $900 million will now attract duties of 35 to 40%. Textiles, apparel, and footwear worth over $500 million will face duties above 30%. And chemicals and pharmaceuticals will see moderate tariffs between 15 and 30%. In total, India exported nearly $9 billion worth of goods to Mexico last year. A 25 to 40% fall is now expected in the affected sectors. India has taken the issue up diplomatically. The push now is for a fast-track trade agreement or at least partial tariff relief covering automobiles and steel. In short, Mexico's move is aimed at China, but India becomes collateral damage. The winners are Mexican domestic industries and the US. The losers, Indian exporters, Chinese firms, and ultimately Mexican consumers who will now pay more. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.